Hey guys, good morning. No, I'm not doing my intro. Just hey guys. First of all, I gotta say thank you to all of my lovely subscribers and all those people who haven't subscribed yet but still passed on good wishes to me to recover fast. Thank you so much, guys. It's overwhelming, but thank you so much. So it's been almost 3 weeks since the surgery and things are getting better. Each day the recovery is better and I'm able to flex my knee quite well. And I've been just lying down here watching TV. Yeah, nothing much to do. There were times when I wished I wanted a break, but these are times when I can't wait to get out and start walking and running. Oh man. So I'm able to bend my knee from 0 to 30 degrees. The physiotherapy has started. Whenever I do that, it is hard. Like there's someone holding the knee from inside and stopping it, and any extra that you move, it's hard. It's not like painful pain, it's a different kind of pain. It's like when you're working out in the gym and when you're at that point where the muscles start tearing and that pain is like you just drop the dumbbells. It's something like that. So that one movement takes a lot of time, takes a lot of effort, takes a lot of concentration, but that is something I need to do every day, 3 times in a day. There are a few exercises. One of the sessions would be with a physiotherapist. He does a bit more than what the regular exercise I do. And actually after those exercises, it feels quite relieving to stand, and yeah, it takes a time for me to go from point A to point B. I've become mostly 60-year-old now when it comes to walking from here to there. That's the only workout I get during the whole day. And yeah, that's it. There's nothing much that I do in a day, and it kind of gets boring. Thanks to all my friends who came to play board games with me. They didn't. All of them are busy working, right? Anyway, let's jump into the topic and let's see what accessories I have. The first bike I ever got was a Classic 500, Royal Enfield Classic 500. Lovely bike, but unfortunately I had it for only less than a year because I had to go to Canada to do my MBA, and that's when I sold my bike. So I just had a basic helmet, didn't know anything about motorcycle rides or touring or anything. Traveled mostly in the city, a bit on the outer ring road, and at that point of time you can actually ride on the outer ring road. And that's it. But my actual biking life started with the Bentley 300 way back in 2015. The first video that I posted on YouTube's here, guys, that was in 2015. The first video actually had around like 10,000 views within the first 6 months, and I was quite shocked. And the video angles were crappy. I didn't do any voiceover or talk because I wanted to do a different kind of vlog, motor vlogs. I just didn't want to talk or show the road. In fact, I wanted something like a music theme collage of videos. So you know, collage is for photos, but something akin to that for videos with just nice lovely music, so you can just go through the experiences in a different way. But I did that for the Arku ride with Sriman, and somehow since then it has just been a hobby, but now I'm doing it more frequently because there's more traction, there's more interest, there's more engagement, and I'm also enjoying doing this. I think when I started learning about biking, the first thing I started to learn was how much do you spend on your motorcycle accessories or biking accessories. That's when something I read online struck me really well in the head. That's that whatever the price of the bike, spend 10% of that on your safety. That's the least you can do, because if this is not safe, it doesn't matter what bike you own. I kept that as a ground rule for all my purchases since then. And so the first bike, Bentley 300, costed me what, 3 lakhs. So I kept a budget around 30,000. So got that empty blade helmet for 6,000. This was in year 2015. My bike was red bike, so red and black helmet went well with that. And now let me show you the jackets. And those are my riding jackets. I have a Rhinox Tornado, and I think the other one is Rhinox Stealth. those are the two jackets. For the Rhinox Stealth, I have riding pant too. I had just basic knee guards from Aspida and shoes from Royal Enfield. Those were the first set of pairs, guys, and it costed me roughly around 30,000 rupees. That did the job brilliantly well. And in 2018 I got a new MT helmet, MT Cray, that's there for my late trip. And then I got a Dainese knee guards from Canada in the last trip in 2017. This was also another riding jacket that I got during that time in 2017. Wanted to invest in the long term, so got these street jackets. They've been serving me well. All my jackets are in perfect condition, and I have a set of Triumph leather gloves and also Dainese waterproof gloves right now, but previously I had Rhinox gloves which lasted 1 year. They're not that great. Anyway, so that's the jacket scene. So this is the latest helmet that I got. It's the Scorpion EXO STI 1400 carbon fiber helmet that I got from Canada. And so this is an AGV helmet that I got like 3 years back. This is just for city purpose, on the street to win. It's a half-face helmet. Decently good helmet. I had to exchange the original one because it cracked after it fell from a sofa, which didn't seem ideal. And there are a few accessories there which I'll link in the description below. You can buy them on Amazon and they're quite worth it, guys. They helped me during the touring needs pretty well, and I hope you guys would like them too. And coming to shoes, as I said, I had a Royal Enfield shoes. So I used the Royal Enfield shoes for most of my rides till 2017. After that I had the TCX leather boots from Canada in 2017. And I've been using them pretty much since then, and they are great. And if you remember the lay ride, my foot wouldn't have been protected if not for those shoes. They don't seem like it, but they have all the features of a full-fledged touring boot for people who don't know that. It says that it looks slightly streetish. That being said, I want more protection, so I might go for a touring boot later on. Anyway, it's been 10 minutes since I'm standing and my back's hurting, so I'm gonna sit back. Oh man, that was much harder than I thought. Anyway, coming to the point, I think I missed a few things there. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I actually have 5 helmets. So the empty blade, the red and black one, is the first one I got. And then I got a Martian helmet from a local store, and it had a weird whistling noise after like 3 to 6 months, and the store here didn't agree to replace. So since then I never purchased anything from that store. I don't want to give names, but it's on the 100 feet road, so please avoid that. Bikeopedia is the one that I usually go, and they take care of me well, because for one helmet, the second empty helmet, the empty Cray helmet that I got, which costed me around 10,000, it had some issue with the sun visor. They got it repaired for me for free. I just need to pick it up. I just couldn't go, obviously, so it's lying at the store right now, and they did for free, guys. So those are the 3 helmets that I had. And then I also had the AGV half face helmet, and then the Scorpion helmet that I got recently. So 5 helmets, out of which I use 3 actively. So I have to figure out what to do with the other 2. I might have to change my knee armors to something like the Liet brands, which have a brace mechanism too, so that in case of any future falls, I don't hurt my knees again. But they're very expensive, like 30,000-40,000, so I don't know. And in terms of my riding gear, I guess I've covered everything from top to bottom. And for riding accessories and my motorcycle accessories, I've kept the links in the description too, so please feel free to purchase. I usually wouldn't put links to those I don't like, so it's all the stuff that I like, and out of my accessories that I didn't like, I haven't put them down there. So you can be assured that whatever I put down there is pretty good. It serves its purpose pretty well. If you have any doubt, leave a comment and I'll respond back. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and have a great weekend, and see you guys soon. Bye.